So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Happy Vlogs. Now let's see this. In last vlog I told that in my next vlog I'll do like cricket videos. Today I'm going to teach you hanging ball, guys. I'll see. I guess you can see the hanging ball. Today we'll practice how to learn. So I'll meet you after wearing my gloves. So now the scene is I wore gloves. Now we'll see how. First we'll practice defense, guys. Defense. So I guess you can see the hanging ball. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. First I'll remove my gloves. So now the scene is, guys. Now first we'll learn defense, guys. Defense. So I guess you can see the hanging ball. Take your starts. First shoot the ball. Comes up back. See my position. So we keep our backs up, like not full down like so. Ball will pitch and come up, so we can get some injuries. Now you can see the guys. I guess you saw you saw this. You should play not drive. So many members will do like this. Guys, that is not defense. That is actually drive. So first we should take a start. We should keep actually like some front and back like some back. We should take start. And one more. Back should be V shape. Here up V shape and here down U shape, guys. I guess you can see. Yeah. After that, you should take a start. After you take start, if you want to hit some powerful, this is the trick, guys. Come like this, keep your bat up, finish full. I'll show again, guys. I guess you can see. You should complete it full. I'll show in slow motion. So bat is coming slowly down. Now I'll show you with hanging ball. Come, guys. I guess you saw it. Now we'll practice drive, guys. So wait a second, guys. So guys, first we should take our start. First we should take start. Back lifting up. I guess you all saw this. Now that was strong shot. Now we should drive, guys. Take your position, drive. After that again same should continue, guys. Ball game, drive. Ball game, drive. Ball game, drive. Drive. I guess you saw this. So for today, this much only. I hope you can learn this. Okay, guys. Then still a time. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Still a time. Bye. అరే వేస్ట్ అయిపోయింది
ఎందుకు
ఆఫ్ చేయవా